Hello everyone, and happy Monday from me and Zara. So, I actually just filmed a video for Empowered Eczema, which is the 3-month-long program or course that I offer for people to heal eczema naturally. And it was a video about how you're supposed to phase in new foods after the program, because I feel like a lot of times it's a little bit confusing for people to know what to eat once the program ends. Like what do I do from here? And so basically what I was doing is just outlining what you need, like what tools you need to be able to phase into new foods. And okay, first off, I should probably explain this to you guys. If you've ever seen these gates in my video, they are cat gates that I had to put here because I don't want cats in my kitchen. So anyway, but yeah, it was a nice video. I woke up pretty early just so that I could film. I have my light, my ring light set up so that I can film and all that stuff. But we are gonna be talking about what supplements I've been taking to heal my eczema. Also, I gotta show you an eczema update because we are looking beautiful today. Look. Look. That's crazy. We are doing really good. And I don't know if you guys know, but I had it on this other leg, but it's virtually not there. You can't really see it. So anyway, my eczema is healing really well, and I've been doing a lot of different things to heal it, which you guys have been seeing in the last couple of vlogs. But today, specifically, I have to show you guys the supplements that I take, because I know that's something that you guys really want to know. So let me set you down so I can show you the supplements. I have a massive and obsessive amount of supplements. So quick disclaimer, these supplements need to be checked with your doctor, your naturopath, your functional doctor before you start taking them, because I don't know if these react to your medications that you might already be on. So that's a disclaimer before I show you. The very first supplement I'm gonna take is a probiotic. I've been trying this probiotic, and might I say, I think it's a really pretty successful supplement. It is called Mega Spore Biotic by Microbiome Labs. And I take this in the morning and I take this at night. The reason why it's important is because my gut is extremely prone to imbalances like Candida or SIBO. So a probiotic helps feed your gut with good bacteria that fights off those other things. I should probably take my supplements after I talk to you guys about them. So these are my morning supplements that I take. The next thing I'm going to take is a slow release vitamin C. The reason why you want slow release is because vitamin C is a water soluble vitamin, which means that it's not getting stored in your fat cells for later. You basically have to replenish your body of vitamin C. I take it in the morning because it helps relieve stress. The next thing I take is Ceylon cinnamon. I take this specifically to kill Candida. And so I take it on an empty stomach because I want it to just kill any Candida that might be in my gut. It also helps balance blood sugar. So cinnamon's really awesome. But I will say, disclaimer again, is a lot of people with eczema or TSW might have an issue with cinnamon depending on the quality or the healthiness of your liver. So I'm talking fast because I gotta jump on a meeting for work, but the next time I take a supplement, I'll check in with you guys and I'll tell you what I'm taking and why I'm taking it. It's about midway through the day at this point, and I have only taken one supplement that I didn't show you guys, and I took a chlorella supplement, and it contains iodine in it, and I try to take it pretty frequently. I feel like there's just a lot of benefits to chlorella and spirulina and all those algaes. I also think it's pretty good for people with TSW. I had a group of people testing it on we had an Instagram group and they were testing it and stuff. But anyways, What I'm gonna do is I need to take a milk thistle because I'm about to eat another meal. So I take this as a precaution. I really, really like milk thistle. In particular, I really like this brand of milk thistle. It's used to detox your liver. A lot of times people with eczema have non-alcoholic fatty liver. Don't know why. I mean, I do kind of know why, but I'm not going to talk about it in this video. But milk thistle can help detox and help your liver out. And it also helps with candida, which is really cool. Another really important supplement that I'm going to take after I eat is a quercetin bromelade supplement. This supplement is really good for preventing like a histamine type itch. People with TSW deal with a lot of histamine itch. I don't have TSW, but from what I've been learning about TSW, they deal with histamine issues. So on Instagram, the whole community basically agreed that quercetin helps with the itch. So I like quercetin. It also helps me. I can get like contact dermatitis pretty easily. I really hate contact dermatitis. It drives me absolutely insane. Basically, it means like if I wear tight clothing and I take the clothes off, I'll get hives where the tight clothes were and just all this weird stuff. What I also take in the afternoon is a vitamin D, but I'll either take this during the day or I take it before bed or I do both. I take maybe like one in the afternoon when I've eaten a fat because vitamin D is a fat soluble vitamin. And vitamin D also helps with the pandemic. So there's like studies that have said like there's a protective quality of vitamin D over that situation that's going on in the world. If you feel me, we're not going to say what it is. But anyway, it's really great. Sometimes if I'm stressed, I will take another vitamin C. And I'll have to check in with you guys like later in the day. Actually, before I eat, if I'm being a good person, I will take a digestive enzyme. It helps your body break down the nutrients that are found in the food that you're gonna eat. So digestive enzymes are amazing. But I'll check in with you guys at the end of the day because there's a supplement pairing that I take before bed so that I sleep really well. So I'll check in with you later. Bye. Hi guys. So I am making dinner now. I have like a pretty awesome soup going on. I found that Bonafide, the brand that I buy my bone broth from, actually had like a chicken soup. So it has like chicken and celery and carrots and stuff in it. And it's in the frozen section at Whole Foods. So I have that cooking with mushrooms and spinach. And that's gonna be my dinner. I kind of feel a little bit sick. So I'm probably gonna end like showing you guys the supplements here. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna take before I get into bed. So I'm gonna take D3, I'm gonna take magnesium, and then I'm gonna take glycine. And you can even see on the bottle that glycine says it helps with sleep. It helps cool down your body while you're sleeping. Magnesium helps with like, I can't actually remember off the top of my head why magnesium is good for sleep, but magnesium is like used by so many different body functions and most of us aren't getting enough magnesium into our diet. So I always take these before bed. I feel like I might end up refining this a little bit more. Like I would love to have maybe like a calcium supplement that I take before bed, but as of right now, I take that before bed and I also take my last probiotic before bed. So this is my current supplement routine because I know you guys have been asking for it.
like crashing waves, but I wanna see them at first light after a long night and see the sky take shape. But I wanna see the stars.